Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, well, yesterday was the Microsoft event, and they announced quite a few little things. Of course, Surface Pro 6, Surface Laptop 2, Surface Studio 2. What was interesting, Cortana-powered headphones, which is very interesting. Of course, as pretty much everybody was thinking, Windows 10 October 2018 update was launched. And of course, updates to the Microsoft Launcher, your phone app with mirroring capabilities coming to Android. So lots of interesting information in there yesterday. And today we'll, of course, have a lot of videos on the channel talking about the different aspects of all of this, including a lot of things about the new October 2018 update rolling out to everyone. Windows 10 October 2018 update is officially rolling out. Well, rolling out if you seek it. So if you're going to Windows Updates, you'll see it. I checked my, I've got two old laptops on Windows 10. Both of them had the October 2018 update, one in French, one in English. So it seems that it's rolling out. If you just check it out, it's rolling out and it's there. So the October 2018 update rolling out, and on my machines, no glitch, no problems. So I'll be talking about that also. It should actually start rolling out officially. If you don't look at it right now, next Tuesday, Patch Tuesday, it's going to start rolling out with the Windows updates. So you should have it by waves. Some of you might not see it. That's because if you don't see it, there might be something incompatible. So that's why you don't see it. But overall, everything should be there. Well, a new tool is rolling out on Facebook that would actually have users that will help friends and family report bullying or cyberbullying on the Facebook platform. So if, for example, a friend or a family member you see has some harassment of some sort, you can use a tool and report the users that are doing the trolling. So this, of course, is in trying to make sure that Facebook is not a platform where people are getting bullied, or you know, there were over the past few years some users that actually committed suicide after being bullied online. The Facebook hack, more questions and not that many answers, except one. Facebook yesterday answered one question that we were actually asking ourselves yesterday. Is the Facebook hack that actually used the access tokens gave access to other third-party apps that, of course, use Facebook's login. Now, Facebook says that right now they have absolutely no evidence that third-party apps were affected. It seems that it really was concentrated on Facebook itself. Of course, as more details come, we will talk about it. The interesting report by Sandvine that says that at any given moment, Netflix represents 15% of all internet traffic. And on second, YouTube is 11.4% of all internet traffic, showing that the streaming services take quite a big chunk of the internet network. And of course, that will probably fuel, once again, the internet service providers that want to have these companies pay for the bandwidth they use. Well, Apple CEO Tim Cook says that in an interview last night that some form of regulation will need to happen for tech giants because things are getting out of hand, which is kind of interesting. And also, after having a question about storing data in China, because it's Chinese, services, the regulations need to have data stored in the Chinese territory. He says it doesn't make it easier for the Chinese government to snoop on its population. Reddit says that it's reached 1 billion video views per month as it has released its video hosting service sometime in August of 2017. So this is a new milestone, and it's interesting. We have Facebook that's going into video, Reddit. Maybe at some point someone will be a good competition to YouTube. Who knows? Of course, Alphabet, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and other big giants are uniting their efforts to prevent the arrival of regulations in Australia, sorry, that would force them to have backdoors to get access to encrypted data from criminals' phones and computers. Of course, this is an ongoing debate of how responsible these tech companies should be in actually helping law enforcement decrypt devices that are encrypted when somebody creates or does something bad. And of course, a lot of what the law enforcement want is backdoors to actually have access. Apple says that yes, it knows that the many users of the new iPhone XS are suffering some charging issues. It seems that when the phone goes to sleep, a lot of users are complaining that the device doesn't even charge. So of course, it's testing out in the beta version of iOS 12 right now, and apparently it will be rolling out soon and fix that problem. Well, it's going to be over. No more weird letters after your Wi-Fi version like N or G or AC, or that basically doesn't help most people understand what is the latest version and how it is. Now it's numbers. Yes, Wi-Fi now has numbers, starting with the oldest protocol with number 1, and of course, as the latest protocols are, for example, N is number 4, so N is version 4. AC, which is the current latest protocol, is Wi-Fi version 5, and next version, coming next year, will be version 6. So it's going to be easier to understand that, oh, I've got the latest number, I've got the latest version. Well, yesterday Microsoft had announced, and it's rolling out in the US only right now, hardware as a service. For, you can actually finance your new laptop, a new Surface laptop or device, starting at $25 per month. You will get your device, you'll get Office 365, and of course support, and a 24-month contract. Once that 24-month contract will end, what is going to happen is that you'll have the possibility to upgrade to a new device and continue for another 24 months, or just stop the hardware as a service and keep your device because you'll have paid for your device. So if you don't have the cash, for example, for a $2,000 Surface Book, well, you can finance it in that way with the hardware as a service announced yesterday. It's only in the US right now. Well, at 2:18 p.m. Eastern Time today, that's in less than 2 hours from now, you will have a text message from President Trump. At 2:18, they will test the new National Alert System. It will show up as text messages on your phone, an alert on your TV screen, and pretty much everything that can be used as an alert system will be checking out this new alert system. So it's 2:18 Eastern Time. So you'll have to just, trace what time it is in your time zone in the United States. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video.